Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about another product review. Now, just recently, I was contacted by a company who wanted me to try out one of their products and do a review video for them. Now, of course, whenever I receive emails like this, I don't say yes right away. I always do my research first and check into the company itself to see how reputable it is, the type of following that they have, the type of product it is itself. Now, really quickly, I just wanted to explain to you guys that for the past 3 years, you guys may know that I have been living in an isolated location due to my husband's employment. And as a result of that, I have kind of put my fitness on the back burner. And I hate to admit it, but it is true. And so now that we will be moving back to civilization soon enough, I wanted to get back into a good fitness routine and to start eating healthier again. So this product could not have come at a better time. So the product I'm going to be talking to you about today is called Thin Tea, and it is a tea detox, and it is an Australian company. So this is the product I received here. This is their 14-day cleanse product. It also came with this little tea diffuser, which is super cute. It has a little stand, and then you just pop the top off, put your loose tea in here, and that's how you diffuse the tea leaves. So I have opened this one already. This is the first step in the detox, the tea detox. This you would drink with breakfast, and this is the second step, and this is the tea that you would drink just before eating supper. So I have ripped the top off of this one because I did want to see inside the package, but I will read what it says on top of this one here. It said the same thing on both. So it says that it is all natural, vegan friendly, gluten, dairy, preservative, additive, caffeine, and laxative free. So this does not have any caffeine in it, which is great. And it has 7 active ingredients. This one here, the PM one, speeds up metabolism, suppresses appetite, and helps to burn fat. And then the morning one has 6 active ingredients. It alkalizes, cleanses, and detoxifies, and reduces bloating. So this 14-day detox cleanse kit retails for $34.95, and that is in American. And they do have a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you receive this product and it wasn't to your satisfaction, then you could return it within the 14 days. The other nice thing about this company is that they offer worldwide free shipping, which is great as well. Within this pack, you also do receive a free downloadable eating plan. Now, when using this product to gain the best results for you is to strictly stick to the eating plan itself. And the nice thing too is that these products do not contain any laxatives at all. So this is a great alternative if you are looking for a laxative-free tea detox. So the proper way to brew your tea is to put 1 teaspoon of your loose leaf tea into the tea diffuser, pop it into a mug of boiling water, and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Once you've done that, you just remove your tea diffuser and you are ready to enjoy your mug of tea. In addition to assisting weight loss, Thin Tea also cleanses and detoxifies, burns fat, suppresses appetite, enhances energy, boosts immune system, promotes digestive health, improves skin health, reduces bloating, and regulates blood sugar levels. So that's really great because, number one, I want to burn some extra fat that I have put on in the last few years. I do want to get to a healthier version of my current self. I definitely need to enhance my skin health. I don't know what has been going on with my skin on my face recently, but I have been breaking out like crazy, more so than I ever have in my entire life. So if this tea is going to help out with my skin, then that would be so great as well. So based on almost 2,900 reviews, this tea package, the 14-day cleanse, has so far received a 5-star rating. So that in itself right there shows me that it really does work for people, and I would love to give it a try. So this video is just my introductory, kind of giving you guys some information on this product. I am now going to begin using it, and I am going to try and stick to the eating plan as best as I can. Like I said, I do live in an isolated location, so a lot of the products that are listed on the eating plan that they suggest suggest you to eat are not available here to me. So like I said, I will stick as best as I can to the eating plan, and I will be drinking my tea every morning with breakfast and every evening before I eat supper, and we will see how it goes. If this is something that interests you and you guys want to find out some more information about the Thin Tea Detox, then head over to their website. I will have it linked down below in the description box for you guys, so just click on that link, head over to their website, which is thintea.com.au, and read up on the products there. They offer other types of detox teas as well, 28-day packs. I think there's like a 60-day one or something. They offer some other products as well, so go ahead and check out their website if you're interested in that. You can also go on there and read all the reviews. There's testimonials on there. You can download their free eating plan directly from their website. They also have a blog where they write different types of blog posts, so you can go ahead and read up on those as well. And also check out the frequently asked questions section, the FAQ section. They have that as well if you have any concerns. And also, if you want to ask them a question, then just send them an email and I'm sure they would get back to you. So look forward to a update video in the near future where I explain to you guys exactly my thoughts on the tea personally after drinking them for the 14 days. I'm excited to start drinking this tea and fingers crossed I see results. But that is it, guys, for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking my red subscribe button down below on my YouTube homepage, as well as my little bell notification button so you get notified every time I put up a new video, which is weekly on Wednesdays. Thanks once again, guys, for tuning in, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.